Let's turn to our final trade of the day. We have Joel Hawthorne of the Morning Snapshot on deck with us today. And what's your trade, Joel?
Thanks for having me, Angie. Today I'm looking at Cisco. Cisco last week roughly hit their 52-week high at about 53.18. I think Cisco has some more room to the upside to go. Right now I'm looking at the 53.50 calls that expire April 30th. They're going to report earnings early May, so I think some volatility will get these calls on the move. It's an aggressive play for me, but I'm definitely interested in those 53.50 calls that expire April 30th.
As you know, with earnings plays, though, earnings news can go either way. And this is a fairly bullish play that you're putting on here, Joel.
Absolutely. They're going to report earnings, I think, roughly early May. These calls expire at the end of April. So I definitely think that upward momentum, I give myself a couple weeks here before those calls expire. I think we're going to retest that high that was made last week, I think here on Friday, last week of Friday. And I think that 53.18 will be tested, maybe even make a higher high before earnings. And those calls will expire, hopefully gaining some value.
Always a pleasure. Thank you so much, Joel.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.